In a forgotten corner of the world, whispers spoke of barren lands coming back to life. Farmers, once despairing, watched in awe as their fields turned green again. The secret? A mysterious practice called regenerative agriculture. Rumors spread of soil whisperers who could coax life from dust. Crops grew taller, richer, and the air buzzed with life. Skeptics scoffed, but the evidence was undeniable. One day, a traveler stumbled upon a hidden grove, lush and vibrant. As he marveled, the ground beneath him shifted, revealing ancient roots that pulsed with energy. The land, it seemed, had a heartbeat,